one question about hijab. Why is it the hair that we cover? Maybe the eyes of the girl or her face or complexion, whatever. Why you cover the hair? Because Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Quran told us that. A Muslim girl shows only her face and her hand. And if she has piety, if she's strikingly beautiful, and that would attract people to look at her, and maybe, God forbid, lust after her, then she would carry a part of the sin, then it is preferred that she would put a niqab on, so she would not carry that sin. It's not an obligation, but it is a preference. Other than that, it's the face and the hands. And I want you to remember, why is that? Imagine how much money Americans spend on hair products and hairstylists. Billions of dollars. Because it is repellent for men to look at them, or because it makes them more attractive to men to look at them. They pay all that money because it makes more men look at them. In Islam, zina is not just the act of zina itself, but when someone looks at a person and lusts after him, then that person have committed zina. Then imagine when a girl shows her hair and make sure that her hair and makeup is so beautiful, and each one that looks at her and likes her and lusts after her, she would carry that sin. Imagine how many people looking at her in a public place, in college, and so on and so forth. Why would you want to do that to yourself and carry all that sin upon yourself? Just for the vanity that some people will be looking at you? Is it worth it? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, no. And if you notice, the biggest problem for women here in this country is that women are objectified. They're an object that people look at, and it's to be put on a shelf, and people like that. You are a tremendous value.